Water. Although water is colorless, tasteless and odorless, still it's the first thing which comes to our mind when we think about Earth. According to a report, water covers 71% of Earth's surface. It's vital for all known forms of life. It's like the blessing of God for all living creatures. We all the humans have a special connection with water. During Stone Age, early humans were directly depending on streams and rivers to drink water. Later, when they came to know about agriculture, they started living in a group near water sources. With the flow of time, the groups slowly converted into civilizations. Humans started using water in many more ways, starting from basic need to trade and business. We the modern humans are using water in various ways. We are also wasting a lot, but still we don't pay our concern towards it. We are continuously torturing on Mother Earth and our water sources. We are doing so many things for our luxury, which is harming our nature as well as other creatures. We are also releasing too much greenhouse gases and cutting forests, for which amount of carbon dioxide gas is increasing and becoming the vital reason for global warming. Because of global warming, many creatures are losing their habitat. We all are facing sudden climate change as well as extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts. We are releasing chemicals and waste products into the oceans, for which the temperature of ocean is rising. Ocean temperature is also rising with the rise of atmospheric temperature. Because of global warming, the glaciers are melting day by day, which is rising the sea level, which simply denotes towards a very dangerous future for all of us. Being a citizen of India, I feel that the climate change is affecting our life badly. Globally, India is the 7th most affected country by climate change. The temperature is regularly increasing, and some places are not getting enough rain. Farmers are really becoming hopeless. According to me, this situation may get worse in future if we don't take any necessary step towards this. As a result, many lives can disappear from this world. Yes, the process of transformation is difficult, but it's not impossible. Together, we can save this world by just following few simple steps, and those are: plant more and more trees, keep our oceans clean, don't release toxic gases to our atmosphere, use renewable resources as much as possible. Such little steps can protect our giant oceans. So today let's take promise together to make a beautiful world for all of us. Thank you.